Alright, first thing, before I can really work on it, I need to clean it. It's been sitting around for a while. You can see just wiping it off with freaking water and a rag. All that dust and dirt has been sitting on it for so long. So that's first job. I'm going to do that to everything under here, and then I can get to work. Alright, got most of it wiped down. All the stuff on top anyway, so now I can get to stuff. Except the valve covers were pretty oily, but I think I'm going to take those off. As I was digging around, I found old intake and carburetor I have, but they look pretty far gone. But I did find a couple pair of chrome valve covers, actually the same style that are on it right now, the black ones. So I'm going to shine those up and stick them on and call it good for now. Alright, got the first valve cover off. Looks pretty clean inside. It looks like the valve cover might have been leaking a little bit. But everything looks good. So far so good. I went down and picked up some gaskets. I'm going to put these chrome ones on right now. One down, one to go. Still got to polish it up. Almost done. Alright, valve covers are on. Wiped them off. Look a little better than them old black ones. Let the sealant set up for 24 hours. Fire it up tomorrow and see how she goes. Hopefully no leaks.